Another test again, calculator technique, which is matrix. First, mode setup, 6 matrix, 1, 1, okay. Input the equation, 3, -2, 1, okay, 1 only, okay, 5, 6, 2, okay, 1, 0, -3, okay. Sa solve na yun, tapos shift, tapos matrix, tapos 3, tapos x raised 8 1, that's equal. Yan po ang sagot. Kung may katanungan po, tanong lang. Matrix po to ha, matrix yan.